The Tecno Camon 30 is the latest device in the Camon series, and in this video, you will find out what makes it unique among other Camon devices. Tecno has really been stepping up their camera game lately in the mid-range, so I'm excited to see what this latest model brings to the table. The Tecno Camon 30 is a 4G device that comes with 50 megapixel main camera, 8 gig and 12 gig of RAM respectively. The smartphone has 256 gig storage capacity and 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. The Tecno Camon 30 comes in 3 colors. I don't like the fact that it doesn't come with 5G, which most people want in phones right now. The Tecno Camon 30 runs on MediaTek Helio G99 and Android 14 OS with default Tecno Skin iOS 14. Inside the box, you'll find the transparent CPU case, a screen guard, a 45-watt charger, a SIM ejector tool, a USB cable, and the Camon 30 itself. As soon as you take the Camon 30 out the box, you can tell this is a premium device. I love the punch hole cutout, which makes it more modern. The back has a mixture of rough and smooth surface, which looks nice. I love the circle camera setup Tecno gave the device, which makes the smartphone more unique compared to other designs we've been getting from Tecno that looks like iPhone cameras. The flashlight is slightly located at the top left end and a red sensor. The smartphone comes with dual speakers at the top and bottom, also dual microphone, which would help improve call quality. The display itself is a gorgeous AMOLED panel with silk smooth 120Hz refresh rate. If you are enjoying this video, I would appreciate it if you could give this video a like and also subscribe if you wish to see more reviews from me. Colors just pop off the screen and the 1080p resolution keeps everything looking nice and crisp. Tecno has included some nice extras like an always on display mode as well. Flipping it over to the back, we have the dual camera setup led by a huge 50 megapixel main shooter with optical image stabilization. There's also a 2 megapixel depth sensor to help with portrait shots and bokeh effects. Speaking of that 50 megapixel main camera, I have been seriously impressed with the photo quality in my testing so far. In well-lit scenes, you get a ton of details and dynamic range that you don't always find at this price point. Low light performance is also solid thanks to Tecno Night mode. The 50 megapixel selfie camera also stand out, capturing great selfies with good colors and detail. And if video is your thing, you can record up to 4K 30fps video with nicely stable shots. Under the hood, the Camon 30 packs a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, which provides great all-round performance for daily tasks and gaming. You can even configure it with up to 12 gig of RAM if you are a serious multitasker. On the software side, you get Android 14 out of the box with Tecno iOS 14 skin on top. It's a fairly clean take on Android with some extra customization options baked in. Also happy to see it has a nice 5000 mAh battery. I don't know why Tecno gave us 45 watts fast charger if we can charge up to 70 watts. The Tecno Camon 30 really does seem to bring a ton of value, especially if you prioritize camera. The massive 50 megapixel sensor can hold its own against phones costing more. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video.